In this video, IMRS 2000 will be showing how Chinese manufactured cheap machines and devices you find online are unsurprisingly the same machines you can actually and easily find on websites like Alibaba and other Chinese websites. They will have the same or different branding, and we will compare them to the widely superior IMRS systems. This will be an overview of reviews from PMF experts as well as collected investigative information from us purchasing the equipment and testing them for the benefit of educating the consumer. Now, when it comes to affordability, it is true that the Chinese machines and devices may initially seem more attractive. However, as we delve deeper into the features and benefits of each device, it becomes clear that the IMRS systems offers a far greater value for your investment. We will start addressing manufacturing, availability, and review sites created by the sellers of the Chinese machines and devices to make themselves look better. First and foremost, you'll find that these devices are made in China. Yet the place of their manufacturing is not the biggest red flag, but how all Chinese devices are generically made, sold to anyone, and they will add any name to any machine for the purchase of the right amount of devices. The review sites they create are unrealistic and inaccurate, and their recommendations and assessments are as well. In contrast, the IMRS Prime systems are manufactured and assembled in Germany and can only be sold by authorized distributors. Our compare page is not separate to our website, and we try to be as ethical and as factual as possible. One of the key factors that sets the IMRS systems apart from the Chinese machines and devices is its top-tier manufacturing and engineering, with advanced technologies and materials. This brings us to the copper coils, which are one of the key factors. Circular loops with multiple turns need to be tightly wound with no spacing to yield the cleanest and purest pulsating magnetic field possible. Also, this allows for more higher harmonic frequencies because the signal is a higher fidelity. This is a distinctive feature of the IMRS systems. The Chinese machines and devices actually use a AM rod ferrite antenna as a coil, which aside from just emitting a limited signal directly over the copper wire, this is probably more harmful than beneficial. This is because all it does is turn off and on the 60 hertz of dirty electricity that comes from the wall inside instead of creating a clean PMF signal. The only evident difference between these devices is that some have a bigger AM rod ferrite antenna, which is just giving you more 60 Hz electrical exposure, while the IMRS systems use both the sawtooth and the square wave waveforms and have proven induction. For more detailed information, visit us at imrs2000.com. What is PMF? Another important aspect to consider is polarity reversal. While the IMRS signals include this feature to minimize habituation, the Chinese devices have nothing but repetition rate of 60 Hz dirty electricity from the wall. Even then, they still mostly fail at this as well, since in most cases they give you a stated frequency or repetition rate and you get something else. Only with the advanced controller, they are more accurate, but it's just dirty electricity that you're being exposed to. These Chinese devices don't have a biorhythmic clock or circadian rhythm set up automatically. Although again, the advanced controller you could try, but it has to be set manually every time you use it. There's also no evidence of clean spectral content or any existence of pulse stream complexity. While on the IMRS systems, after doing the first system setup and time zone adjustment, the biorhythmic clock will adjust every time that you use the system automatically. All the Chinese machines and devices, accessories, or extras like the red light therapy are no better than Christmas lights. The negative ions are non-existent. Blazing charcoal layers on the mat are just blowing smoke and do not provide any improvement. The gemstones in crystal therapy have no proven effects. The far infrared is their best feature overall, but the quality of the materials in the FIR systems lack quality, since they use plastic tubing and cheap silicone wiring. Finally, let's discuss support and customer service aspect. When you invest on the IMRS system, the imrs2000.com You are not just purchasing a device, but also gaining access to a network of experienced professionals and a wealth of resources to help you maximize the benefits of your PEMF therapy. Unfortunately, the same cannot be said of Chinese machines and devices, which may leave users feeling lost or unsupported in their journey towards better health. Purchasing the imrs2000.com is key here. In conclusion, while Chinese machines and devices might be a cheap alternative and may initially seem more budget-friendly, the IMRS Systems offers a far superior experience in terms of technology, quality, and support. For those seeking the best PMF device in the market, the choice is clear. The IMRS Systems are the ultimate investment to your wellness and more. To learn more, call us at 1-800-900-5556 extension 1 or visit us at imrs2000.com. Thanks for watching. Please like and share.